Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix the verification required error in App Store step by step. So whether you are trying to download free apps or avoid adding a card, these methods are easy and work with the latest iOS device. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here in this video down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first method, you need to first of all check for the unpaid purchases. In order to do that, you need to come out of your App Store, then launch the settings of your Apple device. Now over here, you need to simply tap on the option of Apple ID on top, and here you need to go to the media and purchases. Once you tap on media and purchases, simply tap on the option of view account, and over here you need to simply sign in. Once you sign in, you need to tap on the option of purchase history, and if you see any kind of unpaid or pending charges, even failed 0.00 trials, the system won't let you download anything until that's cleared. So if needed, update your payment method or cancel the purchase directly from there. You can also chat with Apple support in order to remove the failed charges. So if this particular method works for you, it is well and good, but if it doesn't, you can just try this second method. Now in our second method, you need to again launch the settings of your device. Over here again, tap on Apple ID and come on this page. This time you need to tap on the option of payment and shipping. Now after tapping on this option, simply tap on the edit option, then remove your current payment method. If none is available here, you need to tap on it, but if you don't see none, make sure that you don't have any kind of active subscriptions. You are not part of the family sharing where the organizer controls the payments. You are signed in from the main device linked to that Apple ID. This is the most direct way to stop the verification prompts if you are only using the free applications. Now, after this method, if the issue still persists, you can just hop on to our method 3, in which you need to use the App Store to set the none during sign in. For that, you need to simply open your App Store, and here you can just try to download any of the free application. You can search for YouTube or Instagram over here. For the sake of this video, I'm going to search for Roblox here and tap on the get option right next to it. Now here, if you are prompted to sign in or verify, you need to choose review, and in the payment section you will see none as an option. You need to simply tap on that, then add the billing address and tap on next, and you are done. This skips the card requirement permanently unless you buy something later. You can also try signing out of your Apple ID and restart everything again if the issue is still persisting. For that, you need to go to the settings of your device, tap on your Apple ID and scroll down here in the bottom. Over here, tap on the sign out option in the bottom and restart your iPhone. Then you need to go back and sign in again with the same Apple ID. Now you can try opening the App Store. In many of the cases, this particular quick reset cleared the verification prompt entirely. Now sometimes the outdated iOS version or the mismatched region settings can also cause the problem. In order to fix that, you need to simply open the settings of your device. In your settings, you need to scroll down and tap on General. In your General, simply tap on the option of software update in the top and install the latest version. You can simply just check your region here as well. In the settings and in the General as well, you will see the language and region. So once you tap on it, you need to make sure that it matches your Apple ID billing country. If your billing address says India, your region should be India too. So once they match, the verification required loop usually disappears. So this is how you can fix the verification required issue on App Store. No card needed, just simple steps. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe and comment if you are still stuck. I will try to reply and help you out. Thanks for watching.